Hello viewers, hope you all are in good health. Through our channel Untitled, we discuss different sections and rules under Indian Patents Act 1970. In this video, we are discussing Section 11B, which comes under Chapter 4, heading Publication and Examination of Applications. Heading of Section 11B is Request for Examination. We will discuss Section 11B with all the relevant rule, form and fee. Section 11B, Request for Examination. Subsection 1 says, no application for a patent shall be examined unless the applicant or any other interested person makes a request in prescribed manner for such examination within prescribed period. That means, unless and until the applicant or any other interested person regarding the application makes request for examination of that application, no further action will be taken. And that request for examination should be done through prescribed manner, that means through Form 18 or Form 18A. And the prescribed period is within 48 months from the date of priority or from the date of filing of the application. Subsection 2 is omitted. Subsection 3. In case of any patent application that is filed under Section 5(2) and before 1st January 2005, in this case also request for examination have to made in prescribed manner, that is Form 18, and within prescribed period, that is within 48 months from the date of priority or date of filing of the application, and that request should be done by the applicant or any other interested person regarding that application. Section 11B, subsection 4. If the applicant or any other interested person does not make the request for examination within the prescribed period, that is 48 months from the date of priority or date of filing, and that has been specified under subsection 1 or 3, in that case, application shall be treated as withdrawn by the applicant. Now, there are two exceptional cases, provided number 1, the applicant may at any time after filing the application but before grant of the patent withdraw the application by making request in prescribed manner. That is, voluntarily the applicant is withdrawing his application. In that case, there is no need to file request for examination. That withdrawal form is Form 29 and rule is Rule 26. Second is, in a case where secrecy direction has been issued under Section 35, request for examination may be made within prescribed period from the date of revocation of the secrecy direction. In case of secrecy direction is imposed on any patent application, request for examination may be made within 6 months from the date of revocation of the secrecy direction or within 48 months from the date of filing or priority, whichever comes later. When request for examination is filed by a person interested who is other than applicant, examination report is sent to the applicant only and intimation is given to the person interested. Let's discuss about expedited examination of applications. Generally, we know that within 48 months from the date of filing or date of priority, the applicant or any other interested person needs to file the request for examination. In case the applicant or any other interested person wants the examination to be done in faster mode, in that case, they need to file request for examination through Form 18A to expedite the examination procedure. Now, there are different grounds on that basis expedited examination can be taken place. They are: A. India has been chosen as the competent international searching authority or elected as International Preliminary Examination Authority. B. The applicant is startup, or C. applicant is small entity, or D, applicant is natural person, or in case of joint applicants, all the applicants are natural persons, and applicant or at least one of the applicants is female, or E, applicant is department of government, or F, applicant is an institution established by central, provincial or state act, or G, applicant is government company. Other grounds under expedited examination are H, applicant is an institution wholly or substantially financed by the government. I, application pertains to a sector which is notified by central government on the basis of a request from the head of the department of the central government. J, applicant is eligible under an arrangement for processing patent application pursuant to an agreement between Indian Patent Office and Foreign Patent Office. There are a few more important points needs to be remembered. Request for examination that is filed under Rule 24B, that is normal request for examination through Form 18, that can be converted to request for expedited examination under Rule 24C by paying relevant fee. Application is not published and request for early publication is not filed. In that case, applicant shall file Form 9 and Form 18A together with fee. If the request for expedited examination does not comply with the requirement of the rule, the grounds that has been already discussed in previous slides, in that case request shall be proceeded as normal request for examination. Next point is controller shall refer the request for expedited examination along with the application and specification and other documents to the examiner in respect of the applications where request for expedited examination has been received. Provided that a request for expedited examination filed by a startup is defined under Rule 2FB. Under this rule shall not be questioned merely on the ground that the startup ceased to be a startup after having filed an application for patent. Here are the relevant forms that has been discussed under Section 11B. Form 9, Form 18, Form 18A and Form 29. And the relevant fees are also shown here. Some important case laws can be mentioned under Section 11B, such as Nippon Steel Corporation versus Union of India or Sphera Pharma versus Union of India. We thank all our viewers for watching the video. Hope you all like it. Please give a like, share and subscribe our channel Scientellectual. We will be providing more information regarding different sections, rules, forms, fees, case laws, etc. that comes under Indian Patents Act 1970, which will be very helpful for the preparation of Indian Patent Agent exam. Thank you all.